Hello friends, today I'm back with another video. So I saw how much you liked my Undertale As Go video, the fight I did. So today I'm going to tell you how to code a simple Undertale fight. How to code, yes, how to code in Scratch. It's pretty easy. See, it the heart is moving, the box is there, the collisions are fine, the projectiles are moving, the enemy is there. So I'm going to teach you all. No. So this also has a yellow soul mode. I coded the yellow soul mode, which I will tell you in the next episode. So as you can see, this is the red soul. After 3 seconds it will turn into yellow soul. See, it's turning. See, it's yellow now. So the main point of the yellow soul is to shoot bullets. So when I press the Z button, it shoots a bullet and it deletes the projectile. So this is the bullet. So this is not the tutorial, I'm just doing for fun. Let's get this pew sound, and when I start as a clone, start sound pew. This is not the tutorial, I'm just telling this. See, 3 seconds gone, and so the yellow soul will be next episode's tutorial. For now, click on new, file and new, or you can just click on create. So first off, we want the background black. So let's go to backdrops and click backdrops here and get the fill to black. The brightness is 0 and outline to nothing. We don't need an outline. So get this square tool or rectangle tool and make the square on the whole screen. So it may seem a little bit odd for the scratch cat to be here. So for fun, let's add a papyrus figure. You know the papyrus. Upload costume. So let me just find it. Is this the papyrus? No. So let's download the papyrus. Undertale papyrus costume. Oh, do not mean costume. Is in the scratch. So this is it. Now click on save image as. We'll save images as papyrus. It's a web page file. So let's click on PNG and click this one. I think this is a PNG. Save image as PNG image. No, this one. This one is the true papyrus. So save image as. This is a PNG image. Papyrus. Save. So let's close this. And now delete the scratch cat and upload costume, the latest one, papyrus. And oh my god, you see this? What's happening? There is white all over it. So go to click on convert to bitmap. If it's already in bitmap and it's showing convert to vector, do not click anything and make the fill nothing, this diagonal line. Done. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? So it's not great. So I'm going on to my Undertale Scratch project. I will give you the link. I have made this. So it has a really good Undertale papyrus sprite. I forgot from where I downloaded this. Oh, is the ASDADD. I saved it before. Oh, this is it. Open. See, this is it. So this is really good. So now paint and the fill is nothing, and then Oh my god, this is perfect. See the papyrus figure. There is a pixel and 2 pixels here, so let's fix that. Paint black. The fill is black. Erase. Oh my god, it's 40. Let's do it to let's do it to 2018. So that was just erasing, but I think that was good. Let's upload the costume. Papyrus. This is it. Delete this and go to the fill and select nothing. Ta-da! Oh my god, that's the same. Choose a upload costume ASDADD, which I saved the name, and fill is nothing, and yes. So let's leave it like that and go to when green flag clicked. This is very big. See, the costume is very big, so set size to 85%. I think that's still too big. Set size to 40%. 20 will be very small. Set size to 60%. I think yes, 60% is good. Go to XY. So X is left, right. So it's going to be in the center of the screen if we put 0. And minus 180 is the top of the screen. So minus 180. 180 is the bottom. Oh, I thought that the negative is bottom. So 180. That's a little bit too close to up. So now Y is 150, and now Y is it's a little bit up now. 130. I think 130 is not good. 120 not good. 100. 100 is pretty good. Set size to 50. I think. 60 is good. We can't see the 50%. Yes, so now let's move on. I will share the link in the description for my Scratch project. So from there you can download the costume of the box. So click on this cat thing and go to paint and go to your backpack if you have an account. Then you have the box. Then what you have to do, I centered it already for you. This is good. So when green flag clicked, go to X, X this, Y that. So X 0, so it's in the center, pretty good. And Y is negative 120. Oh my god, my box is too big. So let's shrink down it. Let's shrink it down. Let's shrink it down. So now centering is really important. So I've centered it. Then go to X minus 130. 30 makes it move down more, so 100. 90. 90, we are getting there. 880. I'm gonna use the Scratch Cat for now, but you can keep the papyrus costume. Scratch cat A, cat B. So cat A is good. Yes. So now what do we have to do? The Scratch Cat is not appearing. But why is that? Oh my god, I've realized it. Set size to 100%. It's great. And now we have got much more space to put the box, and we can move the scratch cat a little bit higher. 140 is too high. 135. 135, no. 130. 128, let's try. So now as I made the box smaller, you can make it you can you can try to make the box the perfect for your size, the perfect for the size of your enemy. My enemy is small now, but as you saw, the papyrus was bigger, so that's why I made the box smaller. But now as the enemy is smaller, I made the box bigger. So X is 100, that's a little bit too high. 120, negative 120, that's a little too low. 100, we're getting there again. Negative 90, negative 80, negative 60, 60, no, negative 40, 40, 40 must be more, 40 must be very good. Yes, but for uh, for myself, let's make it minus 37 so that it lays on top of the scratch cat's legs. Negative 36 is really great, I think. Yes, yes, yes. See. It lays on the scratch's legs lay on the box. So now one last thing before we move on to the heart. Make the sprite enemy the cat and the box. Name it box. A last thing is that go to looks and get out a go to front layer and put it right above. So it always when we even move the box, it always when we move the box, I can't move the box. Yes, when we move the box like this, it always stays in place because we have to go to X, and go to front layer makes the cat appear in the front layer and not in the back layer. So when I go put the back layer, it's same because we haven't put anything in the box right just now. So let's move on to the heart. So go to my project which I shared and get out first paint a new costume and get out this heart and the yellow costume. You do not need the hitbox costume. Let's start on the heart. When green flag clicked, set size to 15. 15 is a little big. Set size to 10 and point in direction 180. As you can see, it is pointing right now. So now it's pointing the correct way. Yes, that's very simple. So let's move on. Now the fun part comes. Get out of forever. This is new. Make a block. Move and click on OK. And get the define move here and get this block of move here. So whenever we get out the move block and we place it anywhere, the script we are going to place under here will happen. So what do we want now? We want the heart to move, obviously. So now get a if then. And get out, go to sensing, the blue category, the light blue, and get out key up arrow pressed. And then so the change wise are the up and down. So that's what we want. We want to move the heart up and down. So get out and change Y. So let's try that. So yeah, that's good. But if you want to change the speed, we have to change it on all four of the numbers because we will do down, left, right also. So for easy use, let's make a variable called player speed. So we can set the variable player speed at the start, so that whenever we use this player speed, we have to just set the player speed to something. If I change it to 6, it will move 6 steps. If I change it to 5, it will move to 5 steps. So 5, by experience, I think 5 is good for an Undertale game. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Right click on the if here and duplicate and hover and click. It's copied. And if down arrow pressed, move this player speed out, get the minus in the operators and put it, and get the player speed on the right of the minus. And now click on the, right click on this if, duplicate and get and then change this into left arrow and this into right arrow, and get this here and get this here, get these two out and get out the change y's and change them to change x's, change x and change x, player speed minus player speed. So now let's test it. So as you can see, we can move up and down, but I'm pressing the right key and moving left, left key and moving right. So don't be worried. You just have to swap these. Get the change x by player's speed down, and get this up here and get this here. So now it's the good, but now we have a problem. We can move out of the box. There is one other thing. If you hold the up and right arrow key at the same time, it moves diagonally, and if you hold the remaining keys, it moves diagonally to the other direction. Pretty cool. So let's code the bounding of the box. So get out an if then and place it right beneath right around the change y, but get this change y beneath the if then we just placed. So what we want, if touching the box, if touching box, make sure you have named these. We only have 3 sprites till now. If touching box, we are moving by 5, so we want to move negative steps. We want to move back the steps we moved earlier, so that it seems like we are colliding with the box and not getting out of it, but actually we're moving a little bit back so that it seems like it is moving or not moving, I mean. So get a minus. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I think you have been watching till now. Get change y by and then go to operators and then get a minus and go to variables, get a player speed. So now my up arrow is fixed. Oh, it's good. See, it overlaps a little, but that doesn't matter. So now let's copy this code, duplicate. Oh, what did click on this if touching box, duplicate and get the down block away, and get this if touching box under the if down arrow pressed. And now if we're already moving a positive number, if we already moving a negative number, we want to move positive. So now duplicating is a little bit complicated here. So get an if then and get this change x down here. Make sure that's in this. Make sure the change x by this is in the if key left arrow press. Sometimes it happens that it gets here and here. Then the heart will move there forever and ever until the screen is end. So if key left arrow pressed, you know it. If we move a negative number, we have to move, yes, a positive number. So change x by, because this is the left arrow now. So you have to get a change x by and then get a player speed, because there is here is a negative number. So the same, if touching box, and get out, go to right arrow, the if key right arrow, and get out another if then and place it underneath and get a touching box. Now if you're moving a positive, we have, if you're moving positive numbers like player speed, you have to move it negative. So now change x by negative player speed. So as you can see, the simple movement is done, but see what happens. See what happened. The heart got out of the box because it was already out of the box. So to move it in the box, let's go to when green flag clicked and go to x0 and go to x0 and this minus 40. Yes. Oh, there's a problem. Let me check. This is correct. This is correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. What's happening? Oh, understood. So what do you have to do now to fix this mistake? Is get this change x by player speed. Go to if key right arrow pressed and get it above. And get this and go to if key left arrow pressed and get this above. So that the change x by this happens before the if touching box. And get this go to if down arrow pressed and get this above. As you can see, I'm doing in my screen. Done. So the thing that was the error that was occurring of the heart getting stuck in the box is not happening now, which is really great for me and for all of you, of course. So if you want, you can increase the height like so. Done. Of the heart so that it's a little bit longer. Done. So now we have coded the heart's movement. So 20 minutes are gone. So I will end the video here, and in the next video I will show how to code the attacks and how to make the clones out of it and how to make the clones move, and in the and this is pretty good. The cat is a little bit low, so it is up to you where you want the cat to be. I want it to be 129. Why is 129? So that is it for today. As I told you, in the next video I will tell you how to code the attacks, and in the third part I will tell you, get ready for it, how to code the yellow soul. Yes, the one I showed you in the starting video. So thank you guys, and I'll be updating with you to the I will be updating with you to the next part of this video. Please subscribe and like this video if you want more videos like this. Thank you.